Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today's recipe, I will show you how to make the perfect yam porridge. I am Rosie. Welcome to my kitchen. For the ingredients, I'm using yam and sweet potatoes. I have them nicely washed already. I will cut out the piece I'll be using from the yam. I'm using half of this yam and I will slice. I'm using the combination of yam and sweet potatoes. However, you can use just yam for this recipe. The sweet potatoes will take this dish to another level of deliciousness. Cut them into equal size so they can cook at the same time, like so. The sweet potatoes, I will cut them smaller because I want them to melt inside the pots. So once that is done, I have everything inside water to prevent them from turning brown. So the next ingredients, I will list them out and the list of everything will be in the description box below. I'm using dried fish and red palm oil, fresh tomatoes, sweet peppers, bell peppers, onions and spring onions. I have everything nicely clean and cut already. I will use this blender to blend it. However, you can also slice them if you prefer. And that is done, and I'll put that aside. Here I have calabash nutmeg and black pepper. I will use the dry blender to blend them smooth. I love the aroma of calabash nutmeg inside my yam porridge, so I always use it. Next, in an empty pot, I will add some red palm oil. And once the oil is hot, add the diced onions. Give it a stir and fry it for about a minute or two. Next, add the blended pepper. Stir. Cover and leave it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. And this is 10 minutes later. And I will stir. Next, I will add the cut yams and sweet potatoes. I will add salt, season cube, blended calabash nutmeg and the black peppers. And I'll add some water and stir. The amount of water you use for the yam porridge depends on how liquidy you want it. The one I'm making today is just going to be in between. I don't want it too liquidy and I don't want it to be too thick as well. I will cover and cook it until the yams are tender. So I'm gonna be having this yam with some fried fish, and here I have tilapia fish, and I have the fish nicely cut and cleaned already. I will season with salt and black pepper. And I will use my hands to mix everything together. So you can season the fish with any season of your choice. In this bowl, I have all-purpose flour. I will season with salt, all-purpose seasoning, and mix everything together. I'll coat the fish with the flour, and this is going to make the fried fish to come out very crispy. However, you can fry fish without coating it with flour as well. And I'll repeat the process until I am done. The fish is nicely coated and they are ready to be fried. And the oil is hot already. I'll transfer the fish inside the hot oil and then fry them until they are nicely fried. Once it's well fried on the other side, flip it to the other side. And when they are ready, I will take them out of the hot oil, and I'm collecting them with a paper towel to drain out any excess oil. Fried fish is ready. I'll put that aside until I'm ready to serve. And the yam porridge is be cooking now for 15 minutes. I will add the dried fish, blended crayfish, and stir. And I will be using the back of the spoon to mash it a little bit. If you like it very liquidy, you can add a little bit of water or even meat stock at this point. I'll cover and leave it for another 10 minutes. So it's been 10 minutes. I will add the diced sweet peppers, spring onions, and I will stir. Feel free to use any ingredients of your choice for this recipe. And this yam porridge was very, very delicious. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe if you are not already. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed. I will see you in my next video. Bye.